going down Soi 11. Soi 11. Soi 11 has a lot of nightclubs, a lot of bars, a lot of massage parlors, a lot of hotels, a lot of good hotels. Basically everything you can get here. Soi 11. It's probably one of the more convenient sois in Bangkok to stay because of all the hotels and restaurants, nightlife, this and that, exchange places. Very busy though all the time, as you can see, so much traffic here. And it's hot right now, so it's, yeah, this time of day, it's around 2 o'clock in the afternoon. It's super, super hot, so let's go for a walk and check it out. Grand Swiss Hotel in front of me here. Never stayed there before. I hear some good reviews about it. You know, it's got a rooftop pool up there. Not rooftop, but I think it's 7th floor or whatever. Probably get some good rates on agoda.com. Indian restaurant. A lot of renovations here right now, a lot of buildings being built right now. The right side of me, construction area. I don't know what's going here, maybe another hotel. And up ahead we have the Ambassador Hotel. This hotel's been here for a long time. We had the famous Climax nightclub I used to go to all the time, but they shut it down. I don't know why. It was a great nightclub full of freelancers, if that's what you're into. Unfortunately, it's not there anymore. But this hotel, it's a decent hotel. It's all right, you know. It's got a big pool, a fitness club as well, as you can see. I believe there's 2 wings. One wing is better than the other, so. And the prices are fairly cheap for that hotel. There's a good sandwich place, coffee place. Like we're halfway down this soi. It's a long soi. Not much going on this time of day. Sun goes down, this place is super lively, super busy. The Score. There's a restaurant pub. Never been there, so I can't really say much about this place. And up ahead here on my right, the Grand President Hotel. I stayed there once. It's pretty decent, cheap as well. We got a pool. Pool's all right. Rooms are okay. It's a good, you know, cheap option. Guest friendly. There's the Australian pub and barbecue. I had breakfast there once, and you know what? It was not very good. So expensive. Maybe the other items on the menu are better. Mercure Hotel on my right. I've stayed here once. It's all right. Breakfast buffet is okay. Pool's alright. I had some Thai food there and it was not very good. So it's paid about 75 Canadian a night for this hotel when I stayed here. It's fairly new. They renovated. There was another hotel here before, and now this is here. So I think this has been here for not even 2 years. It's Hillary 3 bar right there. There's a few Hillary bars on Soi Nana. Argentinain Steakhouse. Super expensive steaks. Probably the most expensive steaks in Bangkok. Never been there. Too expensive for me. I don't have that much money yet. Looks like they're making a condo right here. High SUKHUMVIT 11. Looks pretty cool. Exchange place right here. Yeah, they're all over this Soi. Exchange places everywhere. There's another pub. It's like an Irish pub. Never been there, so I can't really comment. It's probably good. This looks like a cool building right here. Crave nightclub. Levels. It's on my left. It's a good nightclub to go to. After hours club. A lot of freelancers in there. Cali Mex Bar and Grill. I haven't seen this here. Maybe it's fairly new. They got burgers and stuff like that. American food.
Hello, Japanese food.
Hello. ร้อนมากๆฮะ
ใช่ค่ะ
Full. Soho Pizza. Never been there. Can't comment. New York style Soho Pizza. Looks decent. Pharmacy. Craft burgers. Artisan craft burgers. Haven't been there either. Probably decent. Daniel Tiger Burger. I had this burger once. It was alright. You know, I heard the reviews, mixed reviews. I had a burger here, and it was okay. How you doing? We're gonna turn left here. It's an Insanity Nightclub. Probably one of the best after-hour nightclubs in Bangkok. If you want freelancer girls. We got awesome stereo in there, super loud, good techno house music. Let's go. Busy right now, lots of traffic. Chili Culture Thai Kitchen. It's a good restaurant. Been there, great Thai food. There it is, Insanity Nightclub. Best time to come here is probably after 2 a.m. I would say. You know, I don't go to nightclubs in Thailand before 2 a.m. Either if I'm in Pattaya or in Bangkok. It's not that busy before 2 a.m. anyways. Firehouse. This is a good burger joint. Really good reviews about this place. I haven't been here before, so I can't really comment, but I hear it's really good. It was rated one of the best burgers in Bangkok. I don't know if it is now, but I know it was before. There's a Villa Market here. 7 a.m. till midnight open. You get anything you want there, international foods. So I know the Villa Market is quite popular for expats and tourists. Walk around here. That's a long Soi. Phoenix massage, 300 baht, 1 hour. That's pricey. More than Pattaya, that's for sure. Pattaya, 150 baht, 200 baht for 1 hour. Bangkok, 300 baht. The price is getting up there. Traditional Thai massage and spa. Oops, gotta clean that lens. Too much pollution here in Bangkok. We're camera shy. Rent 850 baht a room. Oh, that's a great deal. Alright, I'm down towards the end. I think I'm gonna go back now. Just Fraser Suites, SUKHUMVIT, Bangkok. It's been here for a long time as well. Alright, I think we're gonna end this video. Hope this informs you of this soy. And please subscribe to Pattaya Slyman. I will appreciate it very much so. And live your life, enjoy your life. And thank you for watching. Cheers.